got it finally torn out. Here's your transmission and transfer case. And here's your little bundle of joy that was creating all your problems. Only a little bad. Ooh, nice. Alright, so here's another reason why these dual mass flywheels aren't always so amazing, is that once they get older, see that? All the little springs in there coming apart. Luckily this will all be replaced. I think that one's actually broken. Maybe it's just super loose. Anyway, at least the South Bend kit comes with, you know, obviously a whole new flywheel, and not to mention that there's some insane amount of burns on here. That was crazy. But get it all fixed up here shortly. Alright, so on these Dodges, I don't know why my camera's, must be kind of dirty. Hold on. Alright, so on these Dodges, apparently they decided to put these things in here that look like pins. They're not pins. So there's no clips in any of these U-joints. It's plastic that surrounds the whole cap. So here's an example. So that hole, see all that? See all that junk in there? It's all plastic, and that's the outlet. And what you have to do is, you have to heat it with a torch and get it to come out, otherwise the U-joint says, no thank you. So, hopefully I can get it to do this one, but it looks really weird. There it goes. How weird is that?